Well, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, this is it, the last and final time for the NASCAR Truck Series career mode for the last time. So, hello everyone, welcome back everyone to the NASCAR Heat 5 for the Truck Series career mode. So we're going off to Phoenix for the championship. Alright, so this is how the points look. Of course, the numbers are gone. So this is who we're fighting against in the championship. It's me, Austin Hill in second, Ross Chastain in third, and Sturt Friesen in fourth. This is the three we're fighting against in the championship. Austin Hill, Ross Chastain, and Sturt Friesen. So we're taking 90, 90, and 90 to Phoenix for the championship. Now, before we get started into this, now you all can tell why you see a different paint scheme. Well, I'm going to explain something real quick. This paint scheme is a very special paint scheme here. Back in February of this year, on February 25th, 2021, we lost our family dog, and our family dog passed away. And this is a paint scheme to honor her and as for our family. So this is, I'm going to explain the collars real quick. The pink is for because she was a girl. The orange means because it was one of her favorite toys. The yellow means because of the sun. The black rims because of the night, the dark outside with the night sky. And the white is because of the snow. And the green means for the grass. And then, of course, the white is because for the snow. But yeah, so that's why I am running a special paint scheme. Different fire suit collar, everything. So that's why, guys, we're going off to Phoenix. 75 laps for the championship. Again, one final time. Let's go out there and win a championship for her. Let's hop onto it. Alright, here we are. The last and final time. This is it. Clint Greenfield has had a struggle weekend. Gustine failed technical inspection. And Zane Smith failed pre-race inspection. Alright, let's go do this. Let's win the championship. Green flag. We are in the championship at Phoenix. Green flag. 22 laps in stage 1. 16 laps on fuel.
You got room. You're clear. Alright, you're clear. Hold your line. That one outside.
Of course, we're running the paint schemes to honor our family dog, and then we're going to go for the lead. We lead lap 1.
Down low now. All right, clear low. Inside. All right, you're clear. I want you to go. You got
20 laps to go. I'm going to keep trying to pull away here. Really, Clint Greenfield, why are you so slow? Right, like I said, it's been a while right now. And we're already in lap traffic right now, and we got 11 laps to go in stage 1, and we just complete halfway right now. I say this car's starting to get sideways on me because of these tires and everything. 10 more. 10 laps to go in stage 1. And there goes our tire sensor just came on. Not what we want for the last race, really. The last race. How dare you hit my truck like that, you stupid? Took a 3-wide right in the middle from both of them. See you later. Right now we got some drivers pitting. I definitely are going to have to get some pits. Because look at my tires, they are starting to shred.
You're wearing out the rubber.
I'm coming in.
Watch your speed, please.
Whoa! Yeah, I'm coming down pit road. 4 tires and fuel. Repair this car. Add a little tape to the grill. And fix this finger. Okay, that didn't sound good. When that radio just went like that, that didn't sound good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Put straight on the brake. All right, here we go, 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 go.
All right, dig.
On the caution is out. Wow. All right, what do we do? I think we just stay out because we just pitted, so we're staying out. Okay, here we go. Green flag. I got 4 laps in stage 1. Alright, now we got 3 laps to go left in stage 1. Alright, well, final lap here in stage 1. Stage points is not going to matter to anything for us. We just got to beat Ross Chastain, Stuart Friesen, and Austin Hill. We're going to come off and win stage 1. Which it doesn't matter to anything to us because that doesn't matter, so usually that does not even matter. Alright, well, we got 53 laps to go. Let's check on our championship drivers. Ross Chastain is in 3rd, Stuart Friesen is in 7th, and Austin Hill, where are you? Back in 26th place, Austin Hill is. Alright, I'm coming down pit road, 4 tires and fuel. Green flag, ready for stage 2. 19 laps in this one, 16 on fuel. So we're going to be a couple of laps short. So right now, I got the lead right now. We are a point away from everyone right now. Anyway, I am going to try to keep on rolling. Alright, now the caution is out. Alright, do I pit or do I stay out? You know what? I am coming down pit road here. 4 tires and fuel. Well, what's up, Austin Hill? Zane Smith gets the 3 pass. And this right here, we are going to be good on fuel in this stage, I believe. Yeah, now we are good on fuel in this stage. So this can... Alright, come on, baby girl. Let's get to the front. This right here could actually work into our strategy here that
Got a car line now.
with them staying out right here and they come down Pit Road and I can get the lead and lap them. There's Ross Chastain. There's one of them.
Still there. All clear. Get back.
All right, we got 10 laps to go. So if they come down Pit Road, this can actually help us out. And now we're getting ready to
Car's outside now.
go after Stuart Friesen right now for third place.
Stay on the bottom. All
And that right there will give us the championship lead back. Now we need to go catch these other two up here. They are not giving this thing up. My point thing is that I don't have to win the race, but I want to win this race because I want to do a burnout with this truck. Plus, this is my last time and I am bumping drivers out of the way. Really, you're not in the playoffs. Get the out of the way. Really, it is annoying.
Careful, still there.
Oh, really? Can you two make your mind up? Oh man, can I just take it free walk? Come on, baby girl. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Ah! How dare you hit my baby girl like that, you stupid! Ah!
Car on the outside now. All right, you're clear.
Oh, we're gonna get you back. Don't worry, get back here. I'll wreck you if I want. Now get out of the way. Alright, now we got 6 laps to go. I gotta figure out something here.
Still there. All right, you're clear.
There we go, got around 1. Now I gotta get the other one here. Maybe I can get him right here.
Careful, still there.
There we go, new leader, 48. 4 laps to go. I'd be fine if you all come down. I'll be fine if you all come down pit road right now. Right now we're starting to see drivers pit, so that's fine. We can lap them. 3 more laps left to go. Man, this truck is starting to get sideways and smoking. Oh, there they are. There they go. Oh, you stupid thing.
You took that stage. Great job.
Man, I could have had him a lap too, you piece of junk. Anyway, 34 laps to go. We could have had all of them a lap down. Pit road, 4 tires, field repairs, second. 7 seconds of damage. Ah, great. 13, no, bad luck number. Great, we lost 13 spots on pit road. We got 31 laps to go now in this race. 31 laps to go. We lost 13 spots.
You got room. You're clear.
And that's how old she was as well. She was 13 years old. We lost 13 spots. We run this paint scheme. I don't think I even should have did it, but... Alright, there we go. So we got around them all. Now we're back in the points lead. Like I say, we do not have to win the race. But right now, I am trying to get up there.
Alright, you're clear.
Because right now, I am trying to get up there because I just want to win this race for. Is all I want to do. Just want to win. There we go. We got around Brandon Thinker. He was so easy to get around. Now we just got to get around Brett Moffitt. Lap 48 out of 75 with 28 laps left to go. That's who we got to get around next. Oh, here we go. Come on, baby girl. Come on, come on. Come on, Wild Doggy. Wild Doggy. Wild Doggy. Wild Doggy. New leader, 48. There we go. Now we're back in the lead. Let's pull away. Wow. Alright, so well, the caution is out. We got 23 laps left to go in the race. I'm coming down pit road here. We got 7 laps left in the tank on fuel. But I'm coming down pit road here. What the? Oh, shoot. I hit the wrong button. Are you kidding me? 20 laps to go and I hit the wrong button. Man, that's not good. It's bad enough I hit the wrong button. This could end our championship hopes right here. This is not good. Right now, we got 19 laps left to go. I'm going to try to hang on. Well, that's just great. My tire thing came on. My tire thing came on. We got 2 more laps left in the tank. We got 15 laps to go. Caution! That caution just saved my championship hopes. Thank you. I think she was right up there that gave me the luck. Thank you, baby girl. Anyway, now the caution's out. I am definitely now coming down pit road and not hit that button. 4 tires and fuel. Okay, now we got some work to do. Let's go win the championship. Green flag. How many laps we're going to have left? 12 laps to go. Got 11 laps to go left in this race left. 11 laps to go.
Car outside. Clear high, bud.
There we go. 11 laps to go left in this career mode, and that is it. Right now we're getting ready to come down with 9 laps to go left in this race. Wild Doggy! Wild Doggy! Wild Doggy! New leader, 48. Right now we're getting ready to come down to 8 laps to go. 8 more laps left in this career mode. 3 laps to go. We're getting ready to come down to 2 to go. Well, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, this is it. The white flag. White flag, final lap here at Phoenix. This is it. The last is the cap of the final coffin of the championship hopes for Austin Hill, Stuart Friesen, and Ross Chastain to come off turn 4. Oh my. Yes! Championship! We won the championship in the Truck Series! Hey, yeah! Yes! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh man, baby girl, we love you and we miss you so much. We're going to take one last final time around as Justin Garn as he says goodbye. As Justin Garn says goodbye. Well, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, we won the championship. That's taking one last final lap around as I said goodbye. Give y'all one final burnout. down, guys, we're going to say goodbye to these drivers. Tyler Ankrum, it was not a best season for you. Wow. Tom Majeski, you had some good runs, but I wish you best of luck. Todd Gilliland, you were definitely a good driver, and definitely wish you all the best of luck. This one right here, some of you have to block me right there a few times, really. I'm not going to say nothing much about you. Nothing about you. Oh, you stupid thing. I wanted to talk about each driver. Well, that is it. That is our championship. Well, there is the final results for the last time. We won the race in first. Ben Rhodes in second. Matt Craft in third. Brett Moffitt in fourth. Brendan Finger fifth. Gus Dean in sixth. Ross Chastain in seventh. Riley Herbst in eighth. Tom Maginski ninth. And Sturt Friesen the top 10. Austin Hill finished 11th, and we're going to let you guys look at everybody else. All the way down to Todd Gilliland and Clay Greenfield all had problems. They were out of the race. There it is. Champion, baby. We won the race, and we won the championship. With Ross Chastain finished second, Sturt Friesen finished third, and Austin Hill finished fourth in the championship. That's how it looked. There it is, our championship trophy. Oh, man. She was definitely in that car. She was in that truck, I can tell you that. I really appreciate for this right here. This was definitely a good run. We did it. We won the championship. And guess what? We are done with the Truck Series career mode. We are done. We don't have to worry about it no more. We are done. Again, I really appreciate for our sponsor, Algren Hotel. Really appreciate for them to be on the truck. I really want to say thank you to them. And NASCAR Heat 5 and everything else. So I really appreciate for them. And that is it. There's our championship. You have won the championship. So right there it is, guys. We complete our contract there with the thing there. So that's done. So again, guys, I really appreciate to Andre Giant Chevrolet for getting us the huge opportunity there to do this. And there it is, guys. Justin Gaard wins NASCAR Truck Series Championship. After the confetti, what's next for Justin Gaard with a question mark? That is the biggest question of all. Sturt Friesen, congratulations on the NASCAR Truck Series Championship. Well, good job, Sturt Friesen. It was really good pleasure racing with you. Austin Hill, congratulations on winning the Truck Series Championship. You know what? I don't like Austin Hill. Austin Hill, go sup in yourself, insult you. Clay Greenfield, congrats on the Truck Series Championship. Thank you. Thank you, and Tyler Ankrum, same things. Well, that is it. We're done with our Truck Series. Guess what? We only have one more business to take care of, and that's it for the Xfinity Series. So guess what, you all? That is it. We are officially done with the Truck Series career mode. And again, guys, this was definitely a good journey. I really appreciate you all for being here. Again, you all, make sure you all do hit that red subscribe button. But yeah, so that is it, guys. So we are done with the Truck Series. Now we only have one more race. Of course, guys, now the car that's on the Xfinity Series screen right now, that's not the car we're going to be running. I am going to have a special car made for my grandma, for my grandmother, for my mom's mom. Now, this car is going to get designed hopefully sometime this week, and hopefully I will have that race upload hopefully sometime soon. But yeah, so that is it, you all. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and again, make sure you guys subscribe. And guys, I've actually got a little tears come down my eyes a little bit, and we won the championship. We did it for her, and we miss you, Puddles. We miss you. We love you, and Man, I just really appreciate again for Ogden Chevrolet for their sponsorship for the rest of this Truck Series Career Mode. So again, you all, that is it. I really appreciate you all. Again, subscribe. And yeah, guys, so we only have one more thing left to take care of. Again, the Xfinity Series the next time we do it. So I appreciate you all. We'll see you all again at the season finale at Phoenix for the NASCAR Xfinity Series. But till then, we'll see you all. We'll see you all till then in the Xfinity Series. We'll see you then. Take care, you all. Good night.